Alright, so in this video we're going to learn how to make a paper tray. This paper tray will be used to store parts for the class. So what you'll need is a pair of scissors, a pencil, some tape, and a ruler. Doesn't matter what tape you have. And a sheet of cardstock. So with the cardstock, what you'll do is you'll line up your ruler to the edges, and you will trace a line across just like that, and you'll do that to all four sides. So let me quickly do that. So line it up with the edge, draw a line, line it up with the edge, draw a line. Okay, so those are guides to help you make some shortcuts. So you're not actually going to cut along the whole line. You're just going to cut out these sections right here. So you're going to cut right here just one time. You don't cut the whole thing, and you don't cut out the square. You don't cut any pieces out of the paper. You're only just cutting these short lines in the corners. And stay on one side. Okay? So then next is a fold. You're going to fold just like that, inwards. Okay. Fold this guy inwards. And what happens is you create these flaps right here that will get taped to create the tray. So you make these flaps, and then using your tape, you'll tape up the corners. Okay? So you'll tape the corners together, make it nice and sturdy and secure, and then get creative. So start drawing on the sides, and make sure that you draw things that you know are going to be related to you, and also, make sure your name is on it somewhere. And this tray will be used to store things like puzzle pieces. You can keep your pencil in it, and so on. And you'll be using your tray for the remainder of the school year for projects that we will be creating. Alright, good luck with that, and enjoy the creative process in making your paper tray.